softly through your hair. That's your mama in the sunlight, reminding you she's there. She was laughter with a backpack, a map she never read, taking roads that looked impossible just to see where they led. She loved beaches at sunset, barefoot in the fading gold, finding treasure in small moments, teaching life to not grow old. So when the waves roll in, my boy, and the sky turns painted blue, remember there's a little bit of her inside of you. The fire in your spirit, the kindness in your heart, the courage to keep moving when the road gets hard. You're the greatest story she could ever leave behind, a living piece of sunshine the world was meant to find. The world was meant to find. She built whole worlds for fun sometimes, little houses, little dreams, believing every ordinary day could become something unseen. She'd pack up for adventures without a perfect plan, trusting that the stars above would help her understand. She saw wonder where others didn't, in seashells, clouds, and rain. And if you look with her eyes, my boy, you'll find that wonder again. So when the waves roll in, my boy, and the sky turns painted blue, remember there's a little bit of her inside of you. The smile that lights a room, the spark that can't sit still, the heart that loves completely, the strength inside your will. You're the greatest story she could ever leave behind, a living piece of sunshine the world was meant to find. Was meant to find. One day you'll stand beside the sea with the horizon stretched so far, and you'll realize the things she loved helped shape the man you are. The sand beneath your footsteps, the salt upon the breeze, the way your heart keeps reaching for adventure and for peace. So run toward the shoreline, chase the waves and chase the light, laugh loud, love hard, stay curious, and hold your dreams up high, because the best of her is living in every step you take, in every mountain climbed, in every path you make, and wherever life may lead you, no matter where you roam, carry her wonder in your pocket, and you'll always carry home. You'll always carry home. The ocean keeps its secrets, the stars still shine above, and every day you wake up, you carry her endless love.